now. Just waiting for nice pronouns. It's 130 point. See guys, they just got me. You can love it. That this too is for me to rebirth. This is for me to collect. See guys, I want to get this. Yes, this printed the new update like from yesterday. It became 10 o'clock. See guys, I want this. It's 67 million. I have 133 million. But I can afford it. I think I can afford only one, because then I need a 4 million store to afford two. Okay, so I'm gonna try to get two. I have to make white restocking in the restocking in 23 minutes and 23 seconds. There. So okay, I'm just gonna quit here for now, rebirth, but nah, I'm not, because then I lose my money and everything like that. Times 2. Guys, must I rebirth? Just tell me in the comments when you rebirth. Okay. So technically I will lose everything that I have in my purse and the money and stuff, everything. But at least I'm getting a grapple or hook and multiply times 2 cash 25,000 and plus 10 seconds for my place to look, so 90 seconds. Then I will get the diamond slab and a taser gun. See guys, but I'm not gonna rebirth now. I'm in a private server, not in my private server. I'm in my friend's private server, Tono. It was nuts. That's so long. Let's just go see how much money each one made. Okay, 2 million. Okay. They just need to make me 1 million, then I can afford. Then I can afford. Oh, then I can afford 2 of this. This is like 600 million. And I still need. I still need a 500 million, guys. Then I'm by 600 million. And if I want 2 of that, like guys, it makes you a lot of money. It makes you 2.5 million per second. It's a lot. If I can get this, then that will be good. But I think I can get that if I get this, because this can make me nice money. See guys, just boom, there I can afford 2 of that. But I first need to wait 20 minutes and 22 seconds. That's a lot. Okay, what is about the Robux shop? Yep. Server luck. The one server luck. Okay, I spent all my Robux. Is it Tripiter of that's 2000? Let's get it. Guys, it's for my friend to like rebirth. I'm just waiting for a gangster trophy. A gangster something. guys. I don't know why it's just putting like that. Guys, do I look cute? Do I look with the chain and nice? Look at this guy, look guys, it's a big feet. Sorry guys, if I'm Goodbye.